Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be installing the hair I made from my last video. So right now I'm combing my hair with my wild comb white tooth comb, and after that I went in with my Afro comb. Then right now I'm trying to make a part, like to divide my hair into two sections, but I tried as much as possible to get a straight line, but because I'm still new into this kind of things, I couldn't. So I went to my friend and she later helped me to like make a straight line, because I made a line but the line was not straight because I was not even seeing what I was doing. So I went to a friend. If you have a friend, go to a friend to make a straight line for you. So after parting my hair, I'm going to braid the back of my hair. As you can see, I already started braiding it. So I braided the back of my hair. You guys should just watch this video. Like, I'm not feeling so good. Like, I have a cold, so I don't want to just talk much in this video. Just watch it and you understand. Right now I'm braiding the back of my hair, and when I'm done braiding the back of my head, I'll get back to you guys. So guys, as you guys can see, I'm done braiding my hair. Actually, if you're going to make this style and you're going to braid your own hair, I would advise you to braid it into smaller sections. I didn't braid mine into smaller sections because I was in a rush. So right now I'm showing you guys the pattern, how the pattern looks like. To achieve this hair, you have to make this type of pattern, but braid the hair into smaller sections. I was doing this hair in the night, and the next day I had somewhere urgent to go to. I had to go to church. So yeah, right now I'm just using my Jamaican black castor oil to rub around the hair, like to give my hair that moisture. After that, I go in with my coconut oil. I'll go in with my coconut oil and rub it like around the patterns of my hair. Guys, remember that if you're going to make this hair, if you're going to braid this hair, you should make it into smaller sections. Right now, because my hair is very short, I'm just using elastic band to make my hair into ponytail. Now right now we are going to go into the installation of the hair. You guys saw that I just like separated the hair into two. Right now I'm just going to use my crochet pin. I'll go through my hair. I'll go through my hair, and oh my god, how do I explain? Guys, you guys have watched a lot of crochet hair videos, so I'm sure you guys will understand this, because I really don't know how to explain things. Okay, fine. I'll go through my hair with the crochet pin, then I'll hook the hook on the hair. After that, I would close the hook, because it doesn't have it. If it's open, it won't like pass through the hair. So when I close the hook and I pass the hair through my own natural hair, then I'm going to loop the hair and tie and make a knot, so that it won't lose. Guys, I'm going to do this so many times, so that in case if you don't understand what I just said, then you can watch it and also understand, because honestly I don't know how to explain and I'm not feeling too good. So right now I'm just doing it again, passing the pin through my hair, taking the DIY hair and passing it in the hooking it on the pin. Then I close the pin and pass the pin through my hair, so that like the hair will also pass through my hair. And then I would loop the hair, so that I will make a knot and loop the hair so that it won't like unravel. Guys, I'm going to do that so many times. You guys should just watch. I'll fast forward this video so that this video won't be longer than it should, but you guys should just watch and you guys would understand. So guys, like I said, I started this hair in the night, and right now the sun is rising. Like, this is early morning where the sun is rising, and that's why you guys see the color changed. Oh, at this point I was very tired. I'm not even going to lie, I was very, very tired. So right now I finished crocheting the back, and right now what I'm doing to the front is that I'm putting Eco Styler gel. I used Eco Styler gel in what's this Eco Styler gel called? It's not coconut oil, olive oil. Yeah, I used the olive oil Eco Styler gel to gel my hair. I'm trying to slick my hair. Oh my god, I'm trying to slick my hair into a ponytail so that you guys, I would be able to, oh my god, so that I'll be able to achieve the hair you guys saw on my thumbnail. So right now I'm just trying to slick my hair into a ponytail. And guys, remember, I don't know if I don't even know what type of hair I have, to be honest, but my type of hair, you have to work in sections. You guys see me applying the Eco Styler gel in sections, like patting my hair into smaller sections and rubbing it. If not, it won't work because there is no water on my hair, because I did this on a very, very dry hair, like 100% dry hair. So after rubbing my olive oil Eco Styler gel on my hair, I used this brush. Is this a brush or a comb? Anyways, I used this thing you're seeing right now. I used it to comb my hair, like to try to comb my hair. Then after that, I went with this brush to like slick my hair. Guys, can you see that? Like, my hair is getting there. It's getting there. So I slicked my hair and I tied it with a rubber band into a ponytail. And after that, I went ahead to use my, what is this thing called? What is it? A hair durag. I used my durag to tie my hair. Right now, you're going to see I didn't tie it there because, guys, if you tie it there, it's going to leave a line. So what I did was that I tied it like the line, the pattern between my ponytail and my crochet hair. That was where I tied it. If you tie it at the front, there where I wanted to tie it before, you're going to leave a line, and that is not what you want for like this hair, this nice hair. Oh my god. So right now I'm just going to take some of the hair, some of the DIY hair I made, and I separated this into two. Then I used my rubber band and like made it into a ponytail. You guys can see what I did. So guys, this is 2 weeks after I made the hair. I didn't realize I didn't film when I was making the donut. Is this donut or puff puff? I don't know. This thing at the front, I forgot that I didn't film it. So this is 2 weeks after I've held this hair for 2 weeks. So right now I just unraveled the hair and decided to show you guys what I did. First of all, you want to, like, that ponytail you made, you split it into two, and you use one, just one, wrap it around, like making a circle. Wrap it around like that. Then when you're done wrapping it around and it's like the hair is finished, just the little hair remaining, join it with the second one, like I'm doing right now. Join it with the second hair. And after you have joined it with the second hair, just keep going in like circle. God, like, I'm really sorry that I didn't, this hair is already old before I did it, but this was the same thing I did when the hair was still new. But yeah, after wrapping the hair, the little section that is remaining, wrap it under, like under the, is this puff? I don't know, donut. I don't know what to call this, but wrap it under the donut you've made so that it will be able to secure the hair. Now I'm going to use a bubble pin to bubble? Jesus. Bobby. Hey. I'm using a bubble pin to secure my hair. And guys, this is the finished look of the hair. Like, this was like the day I did the hair. This is the finished look. See how I'm slaying. I'm telling you guys, I'm slaying. Like, guys, everybody kept on asking me, who did your hair? How did you do it? Like, I was just priding in myself. Don't mind me. I was just so proud of myself. Like, I achieved this look. Like, you know, what am I doing? I'm very, very mischievous. Anyways, guys, I hope I see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe. Chineke God, this is free of charge. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free of charge. Right now, I'm just showing you guys the back of my hair, what the hair looks like. Guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.